Day 21, folks. 3 weeks in. That's segment 1. So basically coming out here to water these 3 pots. I could speak on these, but that's another day. Kept up with us yesterday. Y'all know these 2 buckets have finally been out for about 24 hours, so they're good to use. Well, best to use now. That was a quick segment 1, but not segment 2. That's how we looking so far. Yesterday, I lost a video saying that for work pile 1, we will no longer check temps. We will do a consistency check from here on out. Plus to note, since we're officially 3 weeks in now, this work pile 1 is like 6 weeks old now. 3 weeks old. Something like 2 weeks on these. So, yeah, a month and a half. So, starting with work pile 2. I seen a 75. And 71. Work pile 3. We definitely got a low of 70. I ain't too sure. Work pile 4. $69 low. Spare green pile. Let's see, a high 75, low of 71. Yeah, dry patches again, just for show. Nothing really different from yesterday. Probably go through it and push it back and forth today, but other than that, that's about it. All right. Consistency test for pile 1. Everything is in a breakable state. I want to say it's because it's been dry lately, but it's in a breakable state at least. May have to do some more. Work pile 2, inside temps. And right here close, so I can't lose it. I want to say 69 to 73. Work pile 3, inside temps. I seen a high 76 at the start, a low 69. Work pile 4, inside temps. There's 68 for a low. 66. Spare green pile. Inside temps, if you didn't know. Seems like a high 80, a low of 69. I got to a head start, but plans for the day, everything's getting water. Minus pile 1, everything's getting water. And the dry patches, of course. But adding some of the green pile into these 2, work pile 3. Water added, everything mixed. And next is to rake it all up into shape. And let me touch this patch right quick, these patches. Everything raked. I lied, I didn't even touch this one. I just lied. I did touch those. They had some wet spots underneath. Okay, now everything is raked into a pile. Minus these. I'm gonna leave them how they are. Forget them. Only because, yeah, the wet patches, you know, they really can be absorbed by everything dry around it. So